Don't play with airbags, don't try this at home or anywhere else. Now we have this Hyundai ginormous, gigantic airbag and we're gonna put it inside this fridge, close the door and explode it here. Now I'm gonna put some duct tape around so the door doesn't fly off very easy. Let's see if the fridge survives. 3, 2, 1. I don't know what happened there, but let's see. The fridge didn't survive at all. This is what happened here. Here's the door. I think the duct tape helped to make it explode more beautifully.